go. Hi, hello guys. I'm making a stand lamp, and this is all I need. Some glasses, but I don't need that. And a hammer and plywood and another plywood.
Wood na siya lang. Wood.
Wood and wood.
Plank of wood.
Some nails and this is the safety hat.
Okay.
Hello.
Why do you need a safety hat, though?
Ayun na lang.
Yun na lang. What else do we need? The nails, hammer, ang imuhang measuring steel tape.
Yes, and some piece of paper right
Kuan man na siya ka ng pang...
piece of paper right here.
pang smoothen na sa imong wood. Wood planks.
Sandpaper.
Very good.
Nasaan na?
Okay, tell mommy unsa ang mga rules nga dapat i-follow before making our project. First, dapat na si mommy when magdukduk. Yang hammer. Ano sa gamito ng hammer? Kung sa nails. Dili ilabay nun. Dili ipang pukpuk sa other things. Yeah. Careful kay sharp ang nails.